1963 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $16,400. Location, Uxbridge, Massachusetts. Built to capture the spirit of classic beach cruisers and off-road fun, this 1963 Volkswagen Dune Buggy combines lightweight fiberglass construction with dependable Volkswagen performance. Riding on a 1973 VW chassis, this custom buggy is powered by a 1,776 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine, upgraded from the original 1,600 cubic centimeters with a big-bore kit, and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission for an engaging driving experience. Finished in a vibrant orange fiberglass body over a black interior, the buggy features black and orange racing bucket seats with multi-point harnesses, a sturdy roll bar, and a classic 3-spoke steering wheel. Chrome wheels, oversized off-road tires, and dual chrome exhaust outlets complete its aggressive stance, while the analog gauge cluster maintains the vintage Volkswagen feel. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1965 Zink Z5 Formula V race car. Price, $8,000. Mileage, race use. Location, Charlotte, North Carolina. A true vintage racing machine, this 1965 Zink Z5 Formula V is a proven, track-ready competition car with recent success on the circuit. Fresh off a class victory at the 2026 VDCA Wild Hare Race at Virginia International Raceway (VAR), this lightweight Formula V is fully prepared for vintage racing, track days, or expanding any serious motorsports collection. Powered by the legendary Volkswagen-based Formula V drivetrain, the car is praised for its strong-running engine and dependable performance. It has recently competed at VAR, where one of the event's top Formula V drivers complimented its engine, calling it a good motor. The current tires have only 2 race weekends of use, providing plenty of life for future events. 1975 Ford Blakely BearCat Kit Car. Price, $13,500. Mileage, 4,178 miles. Location, Cadet, Missouri. A lightweight, head-turning street machine, this 1975 Ford Blakely BearCat delivers classic roadster styling with dependable American V8 performance. Professionally assembled as a custom Blakely BearCat kit car, it combines vintage-inspired looks with proven hot rod components, making it an exciting choice for weekend cruises, local car shows, or spirited backroad driving. Power comes from a strong 355 Ci Chevrolet small block V8, paired with a reliable turbo 350 automatic transmission and a rugged Ford 9-inch rear end for excellent durability and performance. 1957 Wahlborg Quarter Midget Project. Price: $8,000. Location: North Port, Florida. An outstanding opportunity to own a piece of American racing history. This 1957 Wahlborg Quarter Midget is a highly desirable vintage project ready for completion. Known for their lightweight construction and successful racing heritage, Wahlborg Quarter Midgets are prized by collectors and vintage motorsport enthusiasts alike. This example offers an excellent foundation for restoration or historic racing. Included with the car is a fully restored original Continental AU7 engine, professionally rebuilt by renowned specialist Steve Legras of California. Also included are the restored original fuel tank, engine mounting plate, motor muffler, and 2 brand new front tires, providing many of the key components needed to complete the project. Wheelbase altered drag car. Price: $15,000. Mileage: race use. Location: Maryville, Tennessee. Built for serious bracket racing and nostalgia competition, this Horton 125-inch wheelbase altered drag car is a proven, race-ready machine that delivers consistent performance straight off the trailer. Powered by a 468 Ci big block Chevrolet roller engine running on gasoline, it is matched to a Powerglide automatic transmission with a 5,000 stall converter, providing hard launches and dependable performance on every pass. The professionally built chassis features a 125-inch wheelbase, for link rear suspension, 19-inch driver cage, and a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 4.56 gears, 35 spline strange axles, and disc brakes for strength and reliability. 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Price: $5,000. Mileage: 200,000 miles. Location: Manquin, Virginia. Classic air-cooled styling meets dependable everyday drivability in this 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Finished in blue with a black interior, this iconic VW runs and drives well, making it an excellent candidate for weekend cruising, a restoration project, or a fun vintage daily driver. Powered by the legendary 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers the simple, engaging driving experience that has made the Beetle a timeless favorite. The suspension has been lowered with adjustable coilovers, allowing the ride height to be raised or lowered to suit your preference. 2022 Vanderhall Venice GT. Price: $12,000. Mileage: 4,150 miles. Location: Opelika, Alabama. Offering the unmistakable style and thrilling performance of a modern three-wheeler at an exceptional price, this 2022 Vanderhall Venice GT is an exciting project with tremendous potential. Powered by a rebuilt 1.5-liter turbocharged engine featuring forged internals and paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers the quick acceleration and sporty driving dynamics that have made Vanderhall vehicles so popular among enthusiasts. Finished in a striking yellow exterior, this Venice GT has accumulated just 4,150 miles and has already undergone repairs following a previous salvage history. It has been driven regularly since the repairs and track straight, but the seller notes that the front right section of the frame requires additional welding and reinforcement before extensive driving. 1968 Volkswagen Beetle Roadster. Price, $25,000. Location, Mesa, Arizona. Blending classic Volkswagen reliability with bold hot rod attitude, this 1968 Volkswagen Beetle Roadster Rat Rod is a one-of-a-kind custom build that stands out wherever it goes. Expertly transformed into an open-air roadster, it combines vintage Beetle heritage with aggressive rat rod styling, creating a lightweight cruiser that's built for fun, attention, and unforgettable weekend drives. The custom bodywork features a chopped, roadster-inspired profile that highlights the Beetle's iconic curves while giving it a completely unique personality. Its minimalist design, exposed hot rod styling, and handcrafted details make it equally at home at cruise nights, car shows, or local rod runs. Every angle reflects the creativity and craftsmanship that define the best custom builds. 2007 Brunton Super Stalker. Price, $14,000. Mileage, 2,000 miles. Location, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Engineered for drivers who crave lightweight performance, the 2007 Brunton Super Stalker delivers exhilarating acceleration and razor-sharp handling inspired by the legendary Lotus 7. Weighing just 1,800 pounds, this street-legal track weapon is powered by a 1999 Pontiac Grand Prix GTP 3800 Series 2 L67 supercharged V6, upgraded with an Eaton M90 supercharger, 3.4-inch pulley, headers with a custom side-exit exhaust, cold air intake, and a tuned PCM, producing an estimated 300 horsepower for an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. Power is delivered through a Borg-Warner T5 5-speed manual transmission with a hydraulic clutch and limited slip differential, while adjustable suspension, manual rack and pinion steering, and four-wheel disc brakes provide outstanding precision on the street or track. A lightweight aluminum and fiberglass body, integrated roll cage, racing bucket seats with harnesses, and a custom gauge cluster with boost gauge complete this purpose-built performance machine. 2003 Panoz Custom Kit Car. Price, $14,000. Inspired by the unmistakable styling and performance heritage of Panoz sports cars, this 2003 Panoz Custom Kit Car delivers an exciting blend of lightweight construction, aggressive looks, and open-road exhilaration. Designed for enthusiasts who appreciate handcrafted performance machines, it offers an engaging driving experience with race-inspired engineering and a distinctive appearance that stands apart from ordinary sports cars. Built with a focus on responsive handling and strong performance, this custom kit car features a lightweight chassis that maximizes agility while providing an impressive power-to-weight ratio. Its low-slung body, performance-oriented suspension, and driver-focused cockpit create an immersive experience whether cruising scenic back roads, attending car shows, or participating in weekend track events.